If a 12-volt battery is deep discharged below 8 volts, the correct charge voltage should be manually pre-selected as follows. Disconnect the charger from AC power and battery. Wait for the voltage indicator light to go out. Attach the red and black clips together. Reconnect the Optimate to AC power. The yellow and green LEDs will flash 2 times, indicating the charge voltage is now 12 volts. The red LED will remain on. Now connect the clips to the battery, and the Optimate 1 Voltmatic will now charge your deep discharged 12-volt battery. After completing the charge, the program will return to Voltmatic mode, ready to once again charge 6-volt or 12-volt batteries. Optimate 1 Voltmatic, the smartest maintainer for 6-volt and 12-volt batteries.